So here we can see that we've got the fluff on the Velcro here. Give you a close look. And what we're going to use is a comb and use it on where the fine teeth are. And all you have to do is on a bit of an angle like this, and then scrape like we're doing here. And it should work on any type of Velcro on your shoes, clothes, etc. You can see it's cleaned it up nicely. I'll just do this one. You can see, just keep a little bit of an angle and just sort of like we're doing like this, and then you can see the fluffs in the comb, and they're just about clean, and that's all you have to do. It's quite simple actually, and I hope this has helped some people, and I suppose that's about it.